guys, it's Ame here, and today we are customizing in GTA Online the Porsche 770. It is based on 2010 Aston Martin 177. What we have? We got armor, non-armor grade with 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. We got brakes, stock brakes, street brakes, sport brakes, race brakes. We got engine, EMS upgrade level 1, 2, 3, 4. We got exhaust, stock exhaust, titanium exhaust, oval exhaust. We got horn, standard, musical, loop. Stock horn, truck horn, cop horn, clown horn. L1, 2, 3. We got musical, jazz horn, 1, 2, 3. Scale, do, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do high. Classical horn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Musical horn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sad boom. We got loop, jazz horn loop, classical horn loop, 1, 2. San Andreas loop, Liberty City loop. We got lights, headlights, neon kits, stock lights, extra lights, white lights, blue lights, electric blue lights, mint green lights, light green lights, leather lights, golden summer lights, orange lights, red lights, point pink lights, hot pink lights, purple lights, bright lights. We got neon kits, neon layout, neon color. Non, front, back, sides, front and back, front and sides, back and sides, front, back and sides. Neon color. We got lock time prevention, tracker, full coverage. We got plate, blue and white 1, 2, 3, leather blue, leather black, it colors black. We got display, primary color, group emblem. Chrome, classic, group, metallic, metal, medicine. Let's pick gray. We got saddle, we got skirts, stock skirts, custom skirts, carbon skirts. We got spoiler, low level spoiler, high level spoiler, carbon ring type 2. We got suspension, stock suspension, lower suspension, street suspension, sports suspension, competition suspension. We got permission, stock permission, street, sports, race. We got turbo, non-turbo tuning. We got mirrors, type, color tires. Tire design, tire enhancement, tire smoke. Type, high-end, low-rider, muscle, off-road, sport, SUV, tuner, street, track. We got windows, night mode, dark mode, limo. Okay? Let me know in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.